Now come to our next term, equation. And before equation, we will introduce one another term, and that term is expression. Before equation, we will understand what is expression. In mathematics, there is a difference between expression and equation. If I give you, or if I say that sum of 3 and 7, I am giving you one sentence, sum of 3 and 7. How will you write it mathematically? 3 plus 7. Okay. Now I am giving you another sentence which says that sum of 3 and 7 equals 10. Equals 10. Sum of 3 and 7 equals 10. This is a true statement. How will you write mathematically? 3 plus 7 equals 10. Now, this and this, there is a difference. What difference is there? This is an expression. This is an only expression. But in mathematics, this is known as equation. Why equation? Equation means you are equating something, or you are putting equal to sign, as I introduced with these three pictures in last module. So this represents an equation and this represents an expression. Now come to another terms, that is, there are three terms in an equation. In an equation like 3 plus 7 equals to 10. This is an equation. It is equal to sign. Now there is another term in an equation, and that term is this side. The left side of equal to sign, and it is known as left hand side. And similarly, this side is known as right hand side. So in an equation, there are three terms: equal to, left hand side and right hand side. Now we are left with one term, that is linear. We have done equation, variable, expression, constant, and now we will understand what is linear. Linear means 1. Linear means 1, and this whole expression, linear equation in one variable, means you have an equation that contains one variable. Now variable is x, y, z something. If you have an equation like x plus 2 is equal to 5. Is this an equation? Yes. Here variable is your x, constants are 2 and 5. Now, why it is called linear equation? Linear means 1. That is, if power of your variable is if 1, then it is called linear equation. Let's have a look at next example. If I take y square plus 2 is equal to 5. This is an equation because here equal to sign. There is a variable y, only one variable is there because other two are constants. Now, is this a linear equation? No. Have a look. Is this a linear equation? Here variable is only y, only one variable. Equal to sign is there, but power of your variable is 1? No, power of variable is 2. So it is not an linear equation, not a linear equation. So the definition of linear equation in one variable is, it is a type of equation. First of all, it must be an equation. It is a type of equation in which there is only one variable. There is only one variable, maybe it x, maybe or y. There is only one variable and the power of that variable, must be equal to, power of variable must be equal to 1. So the definition says that it is a type of an equation in which there is only one variable and the power of variable must be equal to 1. Like if I am giving you the example, sorry, xy minus 2 is equal to 3. It is an equation, equal to sign is there. Variables are now x and y. Two variables. So it is not a linear equation in one variable. Let's take another example. If I take x cube plus z is equal to 4. Is this a linear equation? Equation because equal to sign. Variables are 2, x and z. So it is not a linear equation. So we conclude that the linear equation, and we can write the general form of linear equation as ax plus b is equal to 0. It is the general form of our linear equation in one variable. Here a and b, these are constants. Here a and b are constants and your x is variable. Very good. So I can take the examples according to this formation. 2x plus 3 is equal to 0. 5 by 2x plus 4 equal to 0. So these types of equation are known as linear equation in one variable.